Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video. Today I'm gonna be making a poll command since it was requested by one of our subscribers in the Discord server. That's why I'm leaving the Discord link in the description so you can go and suggest yours. So let's hop into the video. Okay, so let's start by going to our commands folder, then normal. Let's create a new file and name it poll.js. Let's start by typing const discord equal require discord.js, like that. So we are requiring the Discord modules. Now let's connect to our what is called command handler. So yeah, async, yeah, okay, client, then message, that's for the arc system, and prefix. Okay, that's really cool. Oops, I forgot something. Yeah, arrow function, like that, and then let's start. First of all, let's get this and put it over here. Okay, so to make sure that the command starts with the prefix, so let's type let poll description or channel, not description, channel equal message dot mentions dot channels. Wait, what the channel? What I'm typing? Channels dot first, and let's do like this. Okay, so that's mean when I say in the code, if I typed in the script here poll channel, it will make reference to this, so I don't have to type message.mention.channel. Again, you know what I mean? So just I type poll channel. So let's make let poll description. What? How to type that? Description, I forgot. Yeah. So equal to args slice 1, then dot join here. By the way, you'll find the source code in the description if you're too lazy to write this. It is not that much, but I'm leaving the code in the description in case you want to just copy paste it. But I don't like that. You can watch the full video so you can understand what I'm talking about here and learn the discord.js. So let embed poll equal new discord how. And if you got any errors while doing this, don't hesitate joining our Discord server. We will help you. We have a support team and I can personally help you if you need anything. So yeah, so here dot set title. Let's make the title of the embed. So it will be new poll. Okay, you can make it like that. We can add emojis. Then set description like this, and this will be poll description, like here, like we type it. Okay, but we don't need those, just remove it. Okay, so the description of the poll will be this. Okay, so basically the right syntax to write it will be like this: equal poll, then hashtag channel, then the description of the embed, like react if you want me to make a Patreon. Maybe. Okay, so here dot set color, let's make it yellow. Okay, so we'll type yellow, and if you want a specific color, use the hex code for the colors. Okay, so just let message embed equal await poll channel dot send, then let's put over here embed poll and go back and await message embed dot react, and the same one, let's make the same. That's it. Let me just go over here, do that from my command handler, module. Oh yeah, guys, the problem is here. That's why. So yeah, let me no dot now. Sorry, no dot like that. So it looks great. Okay, now let me go fast and do like this. So please, like this. Please include a description. Okay. So let me, the same thing, get this over here. Okay, you already know. So now let's node our bot. Everything works fine. So if I made like poll only, to say please say oh damn, what did I do here? Like that. Okay. So equal poll again. As you can see, equal poll, and let's say cool. As you can see, poll cool. Let's say cool channel cool. And let's say is this working? So embed poll is not defined. Oh yeah, guys, embed poll like this. Okay, and send it. It worked.
Great success!
As you can see. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.